I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play esports offline, easy method. Launch the game while your device is offline and use a local profile to avoid online services. Disable cloud saves and automatic updates to prevent sign-in prompts. Use offline multiplayer or local co-op where supported and verify game files before disconnecting. This approach keeps play smooth and prevents interruptions from online features and updates. Prepare your device by backing up saves and ensuring offline files are intact before disconnecting from the internet. Sign out of EA accounts and disable any overlays that attempt network calls. Use platform tools to verify game files so the title runs without online dependencies. If the game prompts for updates, cancel them and restart in offline mode. These steps minimize interruptions and let you enjoy uninterrupted local play with friends or solo. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical gaming tips and easy methods. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and game guides anywhere, with a glare-free display that pairs nicely with gaming breaks. I find it handy for strategy notes and offline downloads. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you still encounter online prompts, clear your system cache and temporary files, then restart in offline mode to test again. Try reinstalling with offline options or using a physical disk where applicable to avoid online installers. Check in-game menus for explicit offline or local play toggles that override online services. Finally, create a new local profile to isolate account issues and confirm that offline features function as expected before extended play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.